Hi, welcome to Midiacode presentation for associations. You're going to get amazed on how Midiacode can get your members very close to the association and how you can bring many technologies together to amaze all your audience. Midiacode main objective is to create connections. One place for everything from the association and for the association. We know we live in a world that is in digital revolution, what we call the smart world. All those brands shows that we are living this revolution. The growth of artificial intelligence has showed that we need to speed up this digital revolution inside the institutions, and for the associations uh, it's it's even more important as it deals with areas, with segmentations, with industries. So this digital revolution is something key and important for the associations. But what are the top challenges that every single association faces that technology can help? First one is to understand members better. All the associations, as time goes by, associations needs to keep watching and trying to understand their members every day. Number two is the content utilization and discoverability. We know that associations has lots of content, and but it's inside the computers, it's inside the events, it's inside some places that the members sometimes they can find it, but most of the time it's hard to members to find the content from the association. Even if you have a very good repository, even if you have a web portal, it does not mean that people can find and use it easily on their day-to-day work. Number three is embracing new technology learning. Associations have a key task, mission to help the members to learn technology that makes the industry more strong, that makes that segmentation more strong. So this is important for the associations, and technology can help in that. The technology itself can help on this embracing new technology learning. Number four is this personalization for elevated engagement. Every single one has its own needs, so it's important that the association understands the individual needs and that deliver content according to the people's needs and desires. Number five is streamlined communication. Reach out all the members and all the prospects of an association is also challenging, and technology can help a lot. Number six is event management and networking made effortless. Every single association has events, and to run the event and to have technology to help on how to make event to happen, and also how to work on networking inside and outside events are something that technology definitely can help. Seven, simplified membership renewals and payments. How it includes also showing value to the members to make it easy to them to decide to renew membership, but also how to make it happen, how to make it happen automatically. So this is another challenge technology can help. Number eight, global reach and enhancement inclusivity. When I say global reach, it means to reach globally the segmentation in the region you want to cover. And number nine, optimized resource allocation. So how associations always struggle to use wisely the money and the resources and people and technology, and how to allocate that, how to use it wisely. Those nine are the top challenges every single association faces that technology can help. And of course, Midiacode can help a lot. Due to this massive exposition to content, people along the time, people get far from association. How could association create a new connection to people in a way that brings these people close to the association again? We truly believe that mobile is the tool to bring people closer to the association. Mobile is the always present media. If the association is inside the member mobile, uh, for sure the association will be close to that member. For associations to stay relevant, a strong mobile presence is essential in today's content saturated world. Midiacode presents this associations super app plus a logged web access altogether, being this one place for everything from the association and for the association. So on the same super app, on the same logged web access, managed in the same place, you can bring the events, contents, reports, studies, guides, policies, legislation, all the documentation from the association in a digital library that people can easily find content and can easily consult. Also, working groups, official calendar, this be a member, so how to enroll to be a member of the association, the digital mural that shows everything that is up to happen in the association, all the messages, the podcasts, videos, and other rich media that association may have in all other places, smart places. If association has a place, has an office, so we can transform totally the office with this smart places concept, where people arrive on that, they find everything easy. We have geolocation, we have explanations on things inside the building. The digital business cards using the association super app. Every single member you get its own digital business cards. This is a huge benefit from the first moment they start using the association super apps. Networking in events, in meetings, and networking in overall association actions and interactions between members. All the benefits from the associations, some digital gift, some discount with a partner. So all the benefits can be found into the association super app. Learning, company, and competence development, they are similar, and communication with members, among many other possible applications that we can find out together. People on associations, they have a life cycle. So we have this prospect moment when you're trying to grab the attention of people to come to the association to become a member. You have the member total experience, and if for some reason individual member leave the association, we have the association alumni. You'd love to bring them back to the association. Our solution can cover all this life cycle of people in relation to the association. Since it's a prospect, the super app is already there, trying to bring this person on board. Of course, not with the complete access to everything. Once they become a member, they can have total access to to the specific areas and specific contents. Even being a member, you can have different segmentation of members that have different access to content. And also, when they leave the association for some reason, you can block them to have access to some content that is targeted specifically to who is member, but you can still keep them with some content, with some taste from the association, in a way that you have better chance to bring this person back. Uh, in events, our solution transforms all spaces of your event uh, in media. So every space can become media that deliver extra content to please participants, to inform and to entertain. And people can experience a digital layer in everything, what we call this mixed reality. So in the presentations, they can grab content from the presentations during the presentation, and in the end of the presentation, they can grab all the slides, they can grab a summary of the speech, they can grab the content and keep the content with them. No need to keep taking pictures of the presentation slides anymore. Also, the event map, the exposition area, the workshops, the scheduling, and everything else from the event can have a digital layer that people can grab according to their needs, according to their preference. In an association, also have people in this digital transformation. They are using more and more the technology to interact with each other. So with our solution, you can promote this smart interacting one each other in a way they can exchange business cards, they can exchange content, they can exchange brochures and content from their companies one each other in a way they can promote their business in between the association members. As you mentioned, also association, also the place of the association is in digital transformation, so we can transform your physical space that can have these digital connections to content to people, and they can deliver things even on the walls of your place. Even in this technical area, electric boards, you can have the QR codes that deliver the right content only to maintenance people in a way that they can fix what they need to fix with the right information. If somebody else, for some reason, reach this electrical board, they will not be able to scan this QR code because it's intended only to the maintenance people. So when you say smart place, it's smart for everything. Associations has a very important role for teaching people, for preparing the industry, the sector, the segmentation to learn and to this digital knowing concept. So they do not only learn things, but also they keep things that they learn forever. Knowledge to share, to engage, to keep. So how to keep the knowledge and to impact, to perform in high level all the time. So imagine your association deliver content and deliver the right resources to people to perform in high level all the time. Also to learn in this contextual environments. So where you are in specific area or place, you can learn on that context. To keep feeding people all the time with micro learning in the way they can continuously understand how the market, how the segmentation is changing. But we delivered even more on learning and digital knowing perspective. We know we have this triple concept of lifelong learning. People keep learning all the time in their professional life. With our solution, you can deliver to them what we call the lifelong content. The content that is going to make a difference to people on their professional life and that they can access through mobile easily in a way they can perform in high level all the time. And it promotes a lifelong connection between the association and that member. Because if they leave the association, they are going to lose access to many content that is important to their life, that is important to their performance. So to have this connection to those persons is key important to keep that member close to the association all the time. We love this concept of digital anchoring, where a member of your association goes to their life, to their professional life, in their travels, in their meetings, and all the association content that was delivered to them in events, in trainings, and in all the interactions surrounds people, orbits people's life wherever they go. They can hand it anytime, anywhere, easily at their hands. So we are a solution for that, for the association. Also, this concept of multiple convergence is easy in people's lives, everything in a single place. The contents, the events, the learning, the systems, the experiences of the associations, but also the videos of the association and that are in YouTube, that are in the cyberspace. You can lend them easily to people in a way they can collect those videos and access those important videos to their performance anytime, anywhere. And also the websites. Let's say you have some content from World Economic Forum or from Gartner, from any other place. You can bring it to your people, to your members, easily through the app. In the same way, your association gets a communication channel to reach all your audience with just one click. We like this concept also of different user profiles using the same super app. Let's double check this association's use case for that at Midiacode. We have three profiles here: the member, the administration staff that works for the association, and the maintenance staff that helps to keep the building working perfectly. All of them use the same super app. That's the way it's called, super app. And all of them access different content according to their journey, according to their uses of the content inside the association. So a member access the events, the training content, the association calendar, the benefits to be in the association, the work groups they are involved. The other ones they are not involved, they don't have access. The documents for the association. The administration staff, they access the calendar, the policies, the reports of the association, the event planning docs, the meeting minutes that happens inside the association, the HR content, and everything that is related to his work inside the super app. And the maintenance staff, they access the electric schematics, the maintenance process in registering, the continuous training, the HR content, and everything that is related to his actions, to his relationship to the association through the same super app. It makes it easy to end user, easy to content publishers, and easy to IT team to maintain, keeping all the users happy with the solution and happy with the association. All your experience easy to create, easy to deliver, easy to consume, and always and forever. So we have here the first screen with channels and sub-channels that people can access and access extra categories of content inside. Like here's like a showroom of content that people can access. The content can be everything you can think about. It can be PDFs, it can be videos, it can be text, it can be podcasts, augmented reality, virtual reality, gamification, wayfinding, and many other kind of contents. Content can be everything. You can even have training and conference transmission through the super app. And also you can have a marketplace where people can buy membership, but they can buy books, they can buy all association related content like t-shirts or any other kind of extra content you want to sell to the members. You can have marketplace. What do we offer? We developed an exclusive content and interaction platform composed by an intelligent super app and a web page that members access under login. On both means, users access the main association content and those ones linked to everyone's specific journey on trainings, meetings, working groups, events, publications, and everything else the association offers. Transmedias are the way to connect places, events, experiences, things, and people to content. Last generation QR codes are a good representation of transmedia technology, but there is others you can use in the platform as, for instance, the geofences, where when somebody arrives in a specific places, like the association place, a new content are released to that person just because he or she arrives on that specific place. This is the geolocation or geofences as transmedia. And the publishing platform, which makes it easy to associations to generate, to publish, and to keep all the content to please members, staff, and prospects in all their journeys. Those three elements of technology together promotes a revolution on how the association serves its members and how members use the association content on their everyday life. The publishing platform also can be integrated and generate automatically some content once you use other means of publication, of, of publishing, other means to publish content. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to grab these slides with this video in order to share with your peers, just scan this QR code. You are going to have access to collect it to you.